Back on the record in cause number 321940 and cause number 321942, both cases are style the state of Texas versus Patrick D. Stewart. Prior to the recess, the court went and checked its records to see whether or not Mr. Stewart, or whether or not the state, it is, was granted a continuance previously. The dates that was given, there was no statement that a continuance was granted. I think the date that we looked at, October 7th of 2020.
That's right.
I think that date was a bond forfeiture on Mr. Stewart. And Mr. Galmore, are you opposed to the state's motion?
It's their first continuance. For that reason, though, we're not opposed to it.
Okay, so that motion will be granted.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now, it brings us to, so that you can get your reset,
Okay.
Mr. Galmore, and you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day.
You too.
And right now, it looks like Mr. Green in cause number 322728 case is up. That'll be the number one case. Our number two case is Mr. Jose Lopez, cause number 325874.
Court, I remind the court, Your Honor, I filed a pretrial motion to quash, and the court may want to address that before.
If you want,
proceed to trial.
I mean, well, if you wanted to do it,
It's up to the court, whatever the court feels.
well, I mean, you could do it pre-trial, you could do it during the trial. I mean, so,
Well, it's not a motion to suppress. I think it would be more appropriate to do it pretrial.
oh, it's a motion to quash. Okay,
That's motion to quash, not suppress.
okay,
Yeah, suppressions, I carry those to
Right,
trial for appellate
right.
reasons, but,
okay. So what we'll do, well, you said number two right now.
yes,
So if we get there, we'll handle the motion to quash prior to picking the jury.
okay, so you want us back up here tomorrow?
Yeah, I think it'd be best to have you come as well. Y'all a backup case.
Okay,
If the first case is disposed of, then your case will be up. And then if the case is up, then we have to deal with we'll entertain the motion to quash.
Okay,
But I think right now you're number two. And so I know well, first of all, Mr. Shearer and Mrs. Maxey, y'all will be ready for both those two cases?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? All right, so we'll be in recess until tomorrow at 1:30.
okay.
Thank you.
All right.